Hello everyone, this is Mr. B from Simple Trade, and today our spotlight will be on a ticker by the name of AAPT. So this one is also a custodian play, and if you can see right here on April 15, a huge volume occurred, and I couldn't find anything official, but I guess someone knew something about the upcoming custodianship. So people were loading shares from April 15, about a month, and the low trips from 0007 about until 0014, 15, and finally on May 25th, let's see what happened on May 25th. SSM Monopoly Corporation, they said that they're pleased to inform the shareholders that they have filed a petition for custodianship of All American Pet Company, AAPT. So now it's official. And from that point, the stock goes up every day with the gap up, goes up and up and up. And on June 3rd, let's see what happened on June 3rd. On June 3rd, they said that they're pleased to announce that they're now granted custodianship of AAPT. So let's look at the chart. So if you would just load up some shares on that volume right here, on that very day on April 15, we could have gained, let's say, more than 2,000% on our initial investment. So even if you missed all this action and bought some shares on the announcement day on May 25th, in the end of the day, you still could have done 150% on your money, which is nice. So if you like the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, and of course join us at our Discord trading community. I was Mr. B from Simple Trade. Until the next time, trade simple, trade safe.